Han, mukhang nag-i-enjoy kayo dito ah.
Na si Angela proud sa mga ginawa niya.
Magaling talaga tong si Angela eh. Sabi nga ni Larry, may natural talent ka daw. Anyway, Evelyn, did you want anything from the garden? Larry and I can give you discounts.
Naku, hindi na. Si Calvin lang naman talaga yung pinunta ko rito. And since wala naman siya rito, magpapaalam na rin ako. Salamat ulit, Daddy. Bye, Angela.
Bye, Mama. I'll walk you to your car.
Sure.
Let's go.
Mauna na ako, ha? Thank you.
Evelyn.
No offense, ha? I just wanna be honest with you. I really think you shouldn't be coming here anymore. Hindi mo na dapat nilalapit-lapitan si Larry. Hindi naman kaila sa'yo na Larry and I are in a relationship. And as his partner, I believe I have the right to ask this of you. Kung matino kang babae, alam mo na siguro yung ibig ko sabihin.